rtrvr.ai, an AI web agent right within your browser. So think like OpenAI operator, but on your own browser with your own tabs and doing actions locally. So it's a Chrome extension right here. So it opens the side panel, and it's an AI web agent inside your browser. And I think the best way to do a pitch is a demo. So I'm going to show you it taking actions. So maybe you just put in find Retriever's LinkedIn page and follow. So if you just type in any arbitrary command, the extension will take actions on the web page like search and go to do actions on the page and do the thing. So yeah, it went and clicked follow, and our core thing is doing autonomous actions and data extraction. So say you're on a page and you're like, I want all of these articles to Google Sheets, or so our Chrome extension would read through all the data, maybe do any actions if required, and load it to Google Sheets. So if it's for all of your productivity use cases of automating your everyday tasks, data scraping, as well as like calling third-party tools. So you could be on a page and say, send this page summary as a Slack message, for example. So we have all of these different use cases that leverage AI web agents, and you could do actions across tabs. So if you have like a bunch of docs and you have like a question you want to ask, or a bunch of pages, so you can also do research and extract, and also like supply a Google Sheet to do things at scale, like maybe thousands of URLs you want to scrape. And yeah, so that's mostly it. So one of our core thing is doing Perplexity style research within your browser. So maybe you have paywall content, login wall content, and we can do research like Perplexity or Google Deep Research, but here. Thank you. Yeah, just go to the website and you can download the extension. It's live and in production. Reach out to me if you want any questions. Thank you.
Arjun, you're downstairs in the demo area, and the